What's up? It's finally been delivered. All right, let's get into this box. Let's get the screen protector put on. Let's try it out. Tempered glass protector. So let's see what this ESR hype is all about. So tech made easier. All right, so pull out the screen protector. If I can get it out the box. All right, flip it over on the other side. ESR says press here. All right, press here. Tempered glass screen protector. All right, so we're supposed to open this up and we get all of our goodies in here. Wet wipes. We get 2 wet wipes for each screen protector. And a start guide, which I kindly watched a YouTube video on this. And as you see, my screen is pretty dirty. Make sure I have this all the way at the end. All right, and then we gotta close it up. And it says, we press down and pull, and then we gotta wait 5 seconds. All right, we're gonna do this in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That was pretty easy. I know how to do the next one. Let's see how this works out. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see how this magic came out. Let's see if it actually worked. Oh, I see a few bubbles. All right, so I had a little issues where I actually put it on the top of here wrong, but after finally figuring it out and getting the bubbles off, it actually came out really nice. So I'm gonna go over it one more time. So overall, I think this is a great product. Yeah, you have to learn from the first time that you use it. Put it on, install it, but I really think it came out beautiful. So let's turn her on. Let's see how she look. The feel of it is very nice. I want to see if the fingerprints. Actually, I'm rubbing my fingers on. I don't actually see no fingerprints at all. So it's like fingerprint smudge free. Very good glass. So brightness didn't change. Clarity, I didn't actually get a matte one this time. I wanted to try just a regular clear one and see if, like I said, if the fingerprints showed up. So rubbing it, like it's literally not accepting any fingerprints or smudges, really. So that's actually really good. So it came out really nice. Crystal clear, no fingerprints at all. So how would I rate ESR screen protectors? So I would say so far, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 until I see after like a month and see how it holds up. And then I'll do another review on it in 30 more days. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.